Hey, this is Anthony Davis with Shapeshift Wellness, checking in after a little bit of a break. I just moved and I just got back to Denver, Colorado. This is my home. I've lived here my whole life, except in the last 3 years, where I have been in Minnesota, finishing most of my Doctor of Chiropractic degree and my Master's in Exercise Science. I'm almost done. I have 2 more trimesters left. It's just clinical internship. I have some amazing doctors that I'm going to be interning under, but I don't have any more academic coursework, which means I have more free time than ever. So this is a huge new chapter for me, for Shapeshift Wellness, and that means that I can offer you new stuff, more content than I've ever been able to deliver before. And since I'm going to have more free time due to the lack of academic coursework in the last phase of my education, I have decided to live here. Well, this is actually the bottom floor here, but this is a commercial space, okay? So I can now, there we go, a yoga mat. I don't have anything else in here because I just got here. All my stuff is in a pod somewhere. Who knows where? They won't tell me. I don't know, but I'm never getting a moving pod again because I don't know where any of my stuff is. Maybe it'll be here next week. I don't know. I guess we'll see. So that's why I haven't been able to make any videos here in the last couple of weeks, because my stuff is in transit. So when it gets here though, this is a big next phase, and I want to know from you what you want to see out of from me in the next 6 months or so. So I have the space. I can create. I will have my strength training equipment here, yoga, functional training equipment, and so I can produce guided coursework. I can produce programs and training, one-on-one online training, and in person. If you live in Denver, you can come here and train with me one-on-one, which means, you know, if you've tried programs in the past, if you've tried, oh, this method or this program, well, guess what? Those are all generic programs, and they work somewhat for some people sometimes, but most people benefit tremendously from having a good strength training program, like any of the methods that are currently available to you, customized to what you really need and what your real goals are. So that's a really huge change now for Shapeshift Wellness. If you're in Denver, hit me up. Just email me for now. I don't have it set up on my website yet, but it will be on my website, that you can book appointments with me one-on-one, and I can design a program for you to meet your mobility or strength or coordination or meditation or mindfulness goals here, okay? So from you, I want to know, please comment below. What do you want to see? Do you want to see more guided coursework? Do you want to see more programming? Do you want to see more guided, like training? Like here's week 1, week 2, week 3 of a bridge for yogis for strength. I've got a lot of things planned. I've got a lot of things that I can create for you, but I want to know, which of these do you actually care about? So I can do that, or I can create educational content on the science behind fitness, yoga, and meditation. So I have plenty of resources, plenty of coursework ideas, the science of flexibility, for example, the science of strength, the science of fill in the blank, it doesn't matter, anatomy of the shoulder, anatomy of this, etc. So there's lots of stuff I can create. I want to know, comment below, what do you want to see? And by the way, I am much more likely to take your recommendation if you are an all-access member on my website. So go to my website, at least sign up for the free area. There's some really good resources there, but I also have an all-access membership where you can get access to all of my coursework that is currently available, and all of this amazing stuff that I'm going to create in the future is going to be available to you. If you're a member, I am going to listen to you first because I want to provide a lot of value to my members. So thank you so much for all the support that I've gotten so far. This is a huge next step. I want to hear from you what you want to see. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned, because you're going to see more content from me than you've seen ever before, and I'm taking suggestions. Thank you. Peace.